For your internal rotation, you are gonna just smush the inside of this arm against the hip. So you are using the arm that's closest to the anchor point, and you're gonna walk out until you feel a good stretch, and you're just bringing it across your body. Now you're gonna make sure this shoulder doesn't like pop forward and do all kinds of wild stuff. So you're just gonna keep that shoulder in position. Same with this one. We don't wanna be like bending too much wrist here. That's not what we want. We want a good, solid, clean situation. This exercise is not going to feel like much, especially if you have just done external rotation right before it. It's never going to feel like a lot, but it's a good one to do because it keeps your shoulder stable. Another way to do internal rotation is to have your elbow and shoulder kind of acting as the pivot point, and you are just working right here. So you're just working with your arm, trying to keep that upper arm as much in place as possible and to bring that forearm forward.